I'll show you how to find old Facebook post. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app, and in here tap on your profile. After that, if you want to find out your old post, then you have to scroll down a lot and it will waste a lot of time. And right now I'm going to show you how you can easily find out your old post. For this, you just have to tap on manage post, and in here you guys can find out your recent post. Then if you want to find out your old post, then you can scroll down like this, and if you want to find out easily, then just tap on filter, and in here you can select that time. If you tap on here, then you can select the month, and also you can select the date. For example, if you want to find out your post before 10 May, just tap on here and then tap on OK, and then tap on done, and you guys can see your post before this day. And if you want to delete the post, you can also do it by tapping on here and just tap on here. Then if you want to hide from your timeline, you guys can also do it. Now tap on here again and then tap on filter, and after that, if you want to set your privacy, just tap on here, and then you can also do it. If you want to make it public, you can also do it, and if you want to make it private, you can also do it for all of your posts. And then tap on here again. If you want to set it for today, tap on today, and then if you want to find out the tagged post of yours before this day, then tap on here and turn it on, then tap on done, and after that you guys can find out your tagged posts. So this is how you guys can find out your older Facebook post. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.